Hello, my name is Alan Davis, and this is my final project for CS50 with Harvard X. My project's title is Trading Bot for Oanda. It's in the beginner stage, and I'm from San Diego, California, United States. So a little bit about my project. My project, when it's finished, is gonna have these three indicators: the SMIOO, the ATR, and CMF. This is my trading strategy, what I use on my Oanda account, and this bot is going to trade automatically on Oanda. This is my demo account, as you guys can see. Let's see what else. So the way this bot is going to trade is that when this candle crosses over, under or over, that's one confirmation. This is used for the volume right here. If this is on top of the zero line, that means it's a go. It's a go because it's going up and up. This one has to be on top too. So if this one's on top, this one's on top, and this is crossing over as a green candle, that means it's the row that's going to take a trade, or that's kind of how I trade. Let's see, I'll give you guys an example. Let's see, like right here. See how this one's on top and this one's barely crossing over. This one hasn't crossed over, so I went in and took the trade until here, and I would have gone into the trade here because this already crossed over here. This is on top of the this is on the top of the zero line, this is on the top of the zero line, and then I would have gone into the trade and I would have kept going until it crossed back under into a downtrend in this right here. So I probably would have got out of trade right here, and that's what the robot is going to do in the future. But all I have right now is just the beginning stage. I'm setting the foundation, which is all this I've been working on. As you can see, I've been working on all this. This is my API, my account ID. So I made one function. I also made some more functions, which is all this, and I imported. I've been learning how to use pandas. I made a function called some functions called utils, which is utils.py. Right here. Let's see, where was I? Oh yeah, it was here. Instruments.py. I also made that one as well. It's right here, and this is the code. Writing the comments. You learn how to use @class methods, loops. I've been using the F string. Let's see, a lot. Well, maybe not in this one. Where is it? It's somewhere in here. Well, I'm showing you guys the code right now, what I've been just working on, and it's far from complete. It's still in the beginner stage. Oh, here's a new way I found. You could use the F string. So I've been using the F string like out of the print function. I've just been using it with the variables and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the code. And I've also learned how to use Jupyter, which is pretty cool to test. So this goes through the code. So if I run it, it runs it all. This is the cool part. This is what I like right here. When I scroll down, this is how much gain I would make if I was trading let's see, what was I trading here? The British pound USD With this robot, I would have made this much gain in a year, which is 1,000 pips. But it's not bad. But also, see, it also pulls, the code pulls some data, which is storing it here, here, and up here as PKL files using pandas. It's storing the data. It doesn't want to scroll. Come on. Okay, it doesn't want to scroll, but there's more data over here. And all this code right here is actually putting up a candle chart with Plotly, which I'm using. This is just a simple system. When the line crosses over or under, you, if you like, this is a really bad system, so this is just testing. So if it crossed under like this, you would trade like this, and then the robot would get out when it crosses back over, so there wouldn't be much of a gain. There would probably be a little bit of pips. And this code brings out the charts. But when I'm finished with all this, it's gonna trade the way I explained to you guys on here. But this is only in the beginner's stage. There's still a lot of coding to do. And what the cool part is, what I like about, I'm using Jupyter notebooks in my code space. So using Jupyter notebooks, you could test everything out cell by cell by pressing Enter, Shift, and it runs that one, and you run cell by cell. And if there's an error, like watch, I'll take that off, and I could run all, and boom, see, it gives you an error, and I'll just fix it, and then I'll run all, and it works now. So what I like about Jupyter notebooks is that you can, in each cell, you can test out your code as you're going along, and then you convert it into a Python file. So this one's called candle plot. So it would be, let's see if I remember which one it is. This one. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. This is just all the functions I used in here, or some of the functions I used in some of these. So this is incomplete right now, but it's going to be a very long project, and I don't know if I'll be able to finish by the end of the year. But it's going to work on here, and it's going to trade daily. It's going to take trades and close trades on Oanda API. So once I'm finished, I'll probably update it. Thank you once again. My name is Alan Davis, studying CS50 with Harvard.